Are you looking for a way to automatically send a customized email drip campaign to your Mailchimp subscribers? In 5 easy steps, I will demonstrate how zzBots can be used with Mailchimp to send out a fully customized and automatic email drip campaign. Step 1. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, follow the link in the description, or go to zzbots.com to create a zzBots account. Step 2. From your zzBots workspace, go to the Connected Apps page and set up a new connection with Mailchimp. This will give zzBots authorization to connect with your Mailchimp account. Step 3. From your workspace homepage, click on List Manager, where you will create a customized list in zzBots that will track the status of your Mailchimp subscribers. First, click on the New List button in the top right corner. In the pop-up, select Start from Scratch. I will name this list Mailchimp subscribers and set the singular value of each new record to subscriber. Then I will search for and select an icon to represent the list. Once you have customized the list name and icon to your own needs, click Next. On the Fields page, you can further customize your list by adding, editing, and removing fields with customized field types. To start, add a field for the email address with the email field type. Next, add a field called Unsubscribed with the checkbox field type. After you have finished customizing your fields, click Done. Step 4. Navigate to the Bots page in your workspace. Here you will set up an automated email drip campaign using bots to connect with your customized list and Mailchimp subscribers. Click to add a new custom bot. To ensure emails are only sent to subscribers, this bot will update the Mailchimp subscribers list if there is a new unsubscription in Mailchimp. You can customize the name of this bot to your needs. In the first step, add the On New Unsubscriber step from Mailchimp. Select the audience that you want your bot to monitor. Next, add a Find Subscriber step. In the first dropdown, select the email address and leave the condition as equals. In the last field, insert the value of email address from Mailchimp. Next, add an Update Subscriber step. In the Record ID field, you will insert the value of the record ID from the Find Subscriber step. In the Unsubscribed field, you will type the text True. After you have finished customizing your bot, scroll up and click Save. Add a new custom bot and give it the name of your choice. This bot will automatically send out personalized emails on a drip campaign as long as the recipient has not unsubscribed. In the first step, add the On New Subscriber step from Mailchimp. Select the audience that you want your bot to watch for new subscribers. In the second step, add a new subscriber to your Mailchimp subscriber list. In the name field, insert the value of the first and last name from Mailchimp. In the email address field, insert the value of the email address from Mailchimp. Next, add a Send Email step. In the To field, insert the value of the email address from Mailchimp. The subject, message, from name, and from email fields can be customized fully to your needs. In this example, I will set up this email as a welcome message to the new subscriber. Next, add a delay function step. This will pause the bot from continuing on to the next step for a period of time. I will set the delay time to 2 days. For the fifth step, add a Find Subscriber action from your list. In the first dropdown, select email address and leave the condition as equals. In the next field, insert the value of the email address from Mailchimp. Next, add an if condition step. In the first field, insert the value of unsubscribed from the Find Subscriber step. Set the condition value to does not equal, and then type the value true in the next field. For the last step of this bot, add another Send Email step. In the To field, insert the value of the email address from Mailchimp. In this example, I will set up this email as a message that emphasizes a new product feature. You can send any number of customized emails in this bot by adding more series of delay, find subscriber, if condition, and send email steps. Using this toggle button, you can disable and re-enable your bots. Step 5. I will demonstrate how this drip campaign works by temporarily changing the delay time from 2 days to 5 minutes. In Mailchimp, I will add 2 new subscribers. As you can see here, the bot was triggered and both subscribers received the first email in the drip campaign. I will return to Mailchimp and unsubscribe one of the 2 new subscribers. In zzBots, you can see that the email automation successfully sent the second email to the subscribed user, but not to the unsubscribed user. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.